Abdullah. I'm going to show you how I was able to go through this assignment, promoting your Windows Server VM to domain controller by following the following instruction on this particular assignment. Okay, now the first thing I'm going to talk about is how I was able to promote my server manager, as you can see, to a domain. You can see the domain name. The computer name is Abdullah235, and you can see the domain name is enzyme.corps. Okay, and this is my domain name. I was able to promote my server to domain controller by using the dashboard, by using the feature which is add and features. Okay, and after that I was able to get to this point of having my domain name, which is enzyme.com. Okay, and after that I'm going to show you also how I use my my graphic user interface by having a domain account of, you can see the name Abdullah, okay, at enzyme to enzyme//Abdullah. Okay, and I also use the PowerShell command, which you can see from the screen that I use the command called who I am, and after pressing enter, this is the domain account, which is the domain account, which is enzyme//Abdullah. So this is a brief presentation of how I was able to promote my VMware to a domain controller by also using the task manager to get to this point, which is the graphic user interface, and also the PowerShell interface. So briefly, this is a summary of my dashboard, which is Abdullah Abdullah, by using the graphic user interface of my server, by using task manager, and also by using PowerShell, by typing the command to this point of enzyme//Abdullah. So briefly, this is how I was able to respond to this particular assignment. Thank you for listening to my presentation.